In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell print-on-demand products on eBay using Printify. Now, if you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps us out and allows us to create more content for you. Let's dive right in. First off, let's clarify what print-on-demand is. Basically, it's a service where you can create custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or canvas prints, and the product is only created after a customer places an order. This means you don't have to worry about holding any inventory or upfront costs. Doesn't that sound great? To get started, the first step is to create an account on Printify. Head over to the Printify website and sign up. You can register either with your email or through a Google account, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, take a moment to explore the dashboard. You'll find that it's user-friendly, and there's a good chance you'll get the hang of it quickly. Now that you've created your account, it's time to connect Printify to your eBay account. For this, you'll need to log into your eBay account in a separate tab or window. This part can feel a bit tricky, but don't worry. Just go to the Printify dashboard and find the Manage My Stores option. Click on that, and you'll see the option to add a new store. Choose eBay from the list. You'll be prompted to log into your eBay account again. Go ahead and do that. Just remember, allow Printify to access your eBay account. This integration is important because it allows Printify to manage your listings directly. Once your accounts are linked, you're ready to start creating products. Next, let's choose the products you want to sell. Printify offers a wide range of items, so scroll through their catalog and find something that resonates with your brand or niche. This could be anything from clothing to home decor, accessories, or even stationery items. When you find a product that you like, click on it to customize it. Here's where the fun begins. You can upload your own designs, add text, or play around with colors. Make sure that your designs are high resolution so that they print beautifully on the products. Once you've finished customizing your product, it's time to set your pricing. Now, when setting a price, think strategically. You'll want to account for the base cost of the product from Printify, eBay fees, and a margin for your profit. It's always a good idea to look at what similar products are selling for on eBay. This will help you determine a competitive price point. After your product is ready and priced, it's time to publish it to eBay. Go back to the Printify dashboard and hit the Publish button, which will push your product listing live to your eBay store. Once it's up, make sure to check your eBay account to see how it looks. Take a moment to appreciate your hard work. You've got this. Now you'll want to focus on marketing your listings. One way to increase visibility is by optimizing your eBay listings with effective keywords in your titles and descriptions. This will help potential customers find your products when they search online. Think about what keywords buyers would type in to find your items, and make sure to include them naturally. To further enhance visibility, consider sharing your products on social media platforms. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest can drive significant traffic to your eBay listings. You could also engage in relevant online communities by sharing your products and connecting with potential customers. Just remember, customer service is key. Be responsive to inquiries and ship your products on time to maintain a good seller rating on eBay. It helps build your reputation and encourages customers to leave positive feedback, which in turn attracts more buyers. In summary, by following these steps and putting in a little effort, you can successfully sell print-on-demand products on eBay using Printify. It's an exciting venture that allows you to unleash your creativity while running a profitable business. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!